What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Drive Miami. Today, we're replacing slave and clutch master cylinders. Check it out. Alright, so as well as putting the slave cylinder in, getting a new slave cylinder and clutch master, I got Junior over here. He came through to help me out. He's going to install the radio for me because I'm a wiring dummy.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
So I'm going to let him handle that because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So one thing I haven't mentioned yet is I went ahead and replaced my my shifter with a Dragon Ball Z 4-star Dragon Ball.
Oh, how neat! That's a real Dragon Ball on your
shifter,
isn't it?
Yep, it was my grandfather's. I've been collecting them for fun. Gohan wants to see the dragon, but he'll have to give his up.
So you know what it is. And yeah, I have this little 8-ball guy, right? Apparently Junie wants it.
Yeah, no, shit is better than the one I got. I told you that. Shit, this shit is horrible.
Yeah. Alright, so a few things we need to do today is we need to replace the clutch master and the clutch slave cylinder. The reason why that is because we have a sticky clutch pedal. Every time I push the clutch pedal in, it sticks to the floor. I'm not 100% if it's either or, but I'm going to replace them both because I don't want any further issues. So first things first, we're tackling today 100% is the slave cylinder as well as the radio. I got the slave cylinder here. Let me just go ahead and pull it out. Alright, so this is the slave cylinder. I already had it more or less disconnected. If you notice, damn BMW, really? Really? I have the master doing the master thing. I have no idea and no clue what the hell he's doing, but he's doing something.
Yeah. Basically, I cleaned up all the wires to the wire harness right now, so all this shit is no longer needed. Now it's just to go ahead and connect these, match them up to the colors here, tidy it up, tuck in everything nice and neat, connect to the radio, and we should have power to the radio.
By the way, before you guys start spreading some hate, this radio is the Chinese Wang Tai Tai special. You know what I'm saying? Not only does it play your radio, it cooks some noodles.
That's what's up.
This is the Chinese special. We got it. It was like, I kid you not, it was like $30 radio. It's Bluetooth. I'm not looking for anything special. I just need a radio in there so I can drive from point A to point B and listen to some tunes. I'll eventually get a nice Pioneer or whatever the case may be, but right now, Wang Tai Tai dog.
Naruto!
Well, he's just about done already.
Yeah. Please excuse the tape for right now. We still got to go back to the store to pick up, you know. So right now we're just connecting everything with the electrical tape, making sure everything is good. And then when we go back to the store, we'll replace everything. And then this will be A-OK after that.
So yeah, it's just a temp for right now, so
yeah,
we should be straight.
Please don't flame me as soon as you see the tape.
Everybody, right now, hold on, guys. Press pause right now and just fucking light up the comments right now.
Go on
how
ahead.
bad of a job he's doing.
Go on ahead, just flame me right now because in a little bit, this will be all fixed
Shots
and tidied up.
Fired. Pew, pew, pew. Alright guys, so just a little cool quick tip that I just found out by accident. Since these are glass headlights, if you do have glass headlights on your E36, you just take a scuff pad and you take the scuff pad to it and it literally takes off all the grime that's on the glass and it won't scratch the glass itself and it won't leave no streak marks or anything like that. So just a little quick tip, so check this little spot out. It's like a magic eraser.
This nasty ass window, wipe that shit up. Looks all smoggy at first, but no, you wipe that shit away. Kaboom, baby.
It's pretty freaking neat, and it's a nice little, I guess, hack, if you want to call it, for E36s and glass lights. Alright, so we got everything finally wired up. We're going to go ahead and connect it up. But real quick, I want Junior over here to take a look at my radio and tell me what he really thinks about it. So what you think? Chinese radio. Cost me about, I don't know, 28 bucks, give or take.
Boy, if you don't...
Alright. Get the feedback. Let's see.
The box, bruh.
Look
at the box, bruh. Like, they footed this right over your fence, bruh. Yo. What? What is that? Is that an Ethernet cable? No, it looks like an Ethernet cable, bro. Oh man, here we go. Yo, dog. Man, bro.
It's like half a radio.
Dog, like, it's missing like a good inch and a half of the rest of the radio. Oh my god. Yo, what the hell is... It's super light, dog.
I know, right? It's like, yo, they give me like straight paper mache. They turn it out.
Bro, like, like this is wildin', bro. I don't know what to say about this.
I mean, to me, honestly, as long as it works and plays my plays Bluetooth and syncs with my phone, so I can play music, I'll be straight.
I mean, I'm gonna get it to work, but let's just pray.
All right, so it's the moment of truth. Let's see if this one thai radio actually turns on. I guess you gotta give it a sec.
One eternity later.
There it goes. All right. It works. It's nothing wrong with it. It looks semi-OEM. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the inside over here kind of indents. But other than that, it actually looks pretty good. Doesn't look ballin' or anything, but it looks minty. All right, so given it's a Chinese radio, I think this would be appropriate. Well, all right, we went ahead and installed the radio already. Now we just got to do a parts run, grab some food, grab some parts, come right back and install it. We're missing the slave cylinder, so let's go ahead and get that now. So we got Mr. Visual over here. Apparently I got him doing some yard work, but it was actually more fun. We decided to mess with the machete, and look, we ended up cutting this whole tree down. Little do we know, we ended up cutting the whole damn yard.
This is exhausting.
What you getting your ninja on, man? Slave cylinder after this. Go! Slave. Alright, so it is a new day. I went ahead and cut my beard. So basically what's going on right now is we're going to go ahead and try to get this car running. So stay tuned. So what we have here is we have our clutch master cylinder. We already have the slave cylinder installed. Pretty much it's just 2 bolts. Take it out, disconnect the line, and once the line's out, you can just pull the slave cylinder straight out. This right here, let's go ahead and show you this. This is what I'm going to go ahead and replace right now. This little guy right here. I'm just replacing everything just to make sure everything's brand new so I don't have any problems later. Let's hope this works. Alright, so basically what's going on right now is I went ahead and I took this little guard down a little bit. Basically what it is just a few screws. You take out 2 screws right here on the top, should be 1 on the bottom. This thing pulls out at an angle and this whole piece comes right out. Once that's out, now we got to go ahead and disconnect, take out this little fiberglass piece, and let me figure out how to take that out. I'm pretty sure it's something simple, but I'll tell you right now. Alright, from what I see here, there's about 3 bolts, 1 right here, 1 right here, 1 right here, and this whole entire piece should come out. If there's anything different, I'll let you guys know. So, actually, let me drive this a little better. So, look who decided to show up.
You.
Decided to swing by again. We're going to do his top, fix a few things with his top. I'm not 100% exactly what we're doing, but we'll get to that in just a sec. In the meanwhile, getting this prepped. You guys know what it is.
Yeah, so in case y'all don't know who I really am, I'm the cameraman. But in other news, he's a little a little confused right now.
All right, hold on. So check it out.
Yeah.
I put the slave cylinder in last night. I went, whatever, bled it. The clutch pedal was sticking to the floor. I decided, all right, I'm tired of trying to bleed it because, you know, I was getting sick and tired of trying to bleed it. Next day comes around, today. I'm getting ready to change the clutch master cylinder, and all of a sudden there's pedal pressure. Like, no, like, check it out. Like, seriously, there's pedal pressure.
Let's see what he's talking about. Oh, almost hit this pole.
No, so look, I pressed against the pedal before, it will stick straight up to the floor, and now look. There's like mad pressure.
NANI?!
I don't even know what to say, you know, like, I don't know. All I know is,
I keep telling him it's a good thing, but he don't want to listen to me, so...
No, there's a reason why I wasn't, if it was sticking before, I should at least bleed it or something like that. I don't know. We're gonna get back to you on that. You know, let's do Brendan's top and we're gonna get back to this.
Hey...
Still tipping on four rapping, four homies, and no packings, blowing on that endo, GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window.
Street sweeping ain't easy, homie. So basically what is going on right now, apparently we're not going to do the master cylinder because somehow I have a self-bleeding car. I don't know, but anyways, we're just going to let it be for now. I'm pretty sure it's probably going to come back if there's like air in the system or something like that, which I don't know. But we're probably just going to leave it as is, you know, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'm not 100% if it's either or, but I'm going to replace them both because I don't want any further issues. But anyways, we're not going to touch it. We're just going to leave it alone. We did Brandon's car. We couldn't find the bolts for it, so we're going to have to get back around to Brandon's car. But I think that's just about it for today. Somehow or another, I don't know how the hell we did it, but we got a working car that kind of fixed itself. But anyways, screw it. We're here. It's working. Drive Miami. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Yeah, I'm not doing this Drive Miami no more. He said we gotta do my car the next day. Quit. Quit. Not doing it no more, bro.